The desert biome is here in Yeeps 2.0. Well, not really, but I'm in the lab. So, yeah. So, there are minecarts, which is pretty cool. There's also a new tech web with all sorts of items. Rails. So far I've only gotten the pillow rails, which are pretty cool because you can just like build your own track. If you paint it neon, it is like a powered rail in Minecraft. Like, pretty cool. And there's a flamethrower, a fire axe, some fire grenade bombs and stuff, a flare gun, a lighter, which is pretty cool. There's also some like valuables. There's a fire extinguisher that you can fly with. And if you are quick enough, you can pretty much fly forever because you can do that. And then have another one. So yeah. So you might be seeing these rails on the wall. And yes, you can go on the wall with the rails. It is super cool. So there's technically 4 maps that are new. One is Outlaw Oasis. One person gets picked and then everyone has to chase them. Like, this person was picked. And there is cacti now. I don't know, plural. That's a weird one. And whenever you walk into it, you lose some cotton. And then there's also a team item restrictor and a team item thing. Yeah, I don't know, confusing. But pretty much. Yeah. There's also carpets, which are flammable. So if I grab the flamethrower, I can burn it, and now I'm on fire. You can also light that on fire. There's a lot of fire, pretty much. So I think this is where you can revive sheriffs when you're a sheriff. I don't know. I'm still confused how this works. So there's also cops and robbers. So yeah. This is pretty cool for a map. So right here there's Outlaw Oasis, Cops and Robbers in Desert Town, and one more that's gonna appear later on, but I am still in lab 1, so yeah. The one thing that I don't like about the rails is if you are in the rail and then you run into someone, it stops you in place. So yeah, but that's somewhat expectable. So here we have Cops and Robbers. So there's sheriffs, and there's like not a sheriff. This is my first time in this map. And I'm pretty sure yeah, so you have to be on the same team for that when you're trying to rob. You can steal a banana, you can steal a painting. If you go down here, there's like some loot in there. And then escape area. Pretty cool. And you have to do all of this while escaping the police. And I don't know how you pick your job. Might be outlaw. Actually, I don't think I'm an outlaw. So right here, put all those things. So yeah. There's a map. There's robbers. There's this. There's pretty much a lot of things. So it's gonna be hard to like try to cover them all in one video. So I'm not gonna. Anyway, yeah. So there's items, team items too. There's also a new biome. I mean, that's kind of expected with the desert biome. Yeah, no. No. Why did it? Wait. I don't know how to escape. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna do part 2 on this later. But yeah.